Hello everyone, welcome to this CorelDraw tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a gradient in CorelDraw. And if you are new here, I am Emma Graphics and I do a lot of CorelDraw tutorials and other programs as well. Do well to subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future uploads. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. So now, I just created this gradient that you are seeing right on your screen. This is what I mean by the gradient. To apply various color, one or two color into an object or a text in order to beautify the text, to make the text look beautiful, well aligned. So when you look at this is more like a Canva. I don't know if you have seen a Canva logo. Okay, Canva logo probably has two color. Okay, that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So you can see this blue and then the purple color is right over here. All right, so we are going to try to create this right now, and then also we can now apply it to text and see how it looks like. All right, apply the color to text. So in order to do that, I'm just going to ship this somewhere here and grab my ellipse tool, and then I'm going to draw like this. You can, if you are using HP keyboard, for instance, you can press down the control while you click and drag in order to have a perfect circle like this. All right, so once you have this, so the next thing you are going to do, I'm going to give a color to this. Okay, so what I did was for me to come to color palettes here, right here, and then choose this, okay, as my color. So I'm going to remove the outline, so by right click on this X up here. Okay, if you don't know what I'm doing here, I'm pretty sure that you will not understand what we are doing because you haven't watched my tutorial, beginners class, sorry, CorelDraw tutorial for beginners that I did. I posted that video last week, so I'm going to attach the link right down the description below so that you'll be able to follow up, so you can go and watch the beginners video. Then you will be able to understand where to, or which one is color palette and which one is to right click. So from there you will be able to understand. But we are just going to move on. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to come to our transparency interactive fill tools. For that, we click on this interactive fill tool. So interactive fill tools, actually it's a tool that dynamically apply the current fill to an object in a drawing window. So what you need to do, you click, once you click get the tools, you click and drag like this. All right, so once you have something like this, you are going to click on this particular one, and then you click on this little other node. Then you can now choose the color, which is the purple that we have there. So you can just bring this up so that you'll be able to have a purple here. Okay, that's where we have our purple. So once you are done, you use this particular node to rearrange it. Just click and drag to whichever area that you think it's okay. So you use this to click and drag and reset it the way you want. All right, and then if you want to change the color, you use this to change the color. You click here, and then the color palette is somewhere here, and then you change the color, give whichever color of your choice. So now now that you have seen, we were able to create this Canva logo. All right, similar to this, isn't it? Okay, so now we are going to try other technique by clicking on the interactive fill tool again. So once you click on this interactive fill tools, you notice that your property bar here is up. Okay, so now we are currently using linear fountain fill. Okay, so we can maybe apply elliptical fountain. So elliptical fountain actually take the purple one into the middle. So that's what I wanted to show you. So you can actually play with this. Just click here and drag. All right, arrange it to whichever way you want to leave the purple. So you can just arrange it like that. What if you don't want it to be at the center? You have another one over there, the conical. Okay, the conical would just take it like this, so you can now move it around, okay, to select and move it around just like this to have it whichever way you want to place it. So we have another one, call it rectangular fountain field. So you can click on it. This is what we are going to have. So this is what you are going to have. So this is what the rectangular fountain field will give you. So I'm going to change this color, which obviously we don't have to, but I'm going to let's go back to the linear fountain field because I'm going to show you something. So now if you want to apply another color to this, which obviously we don't need to because this is the logo of the Canva, but I just want to show you how to apply maybe 3 or 4 more color to this. So all you need to do, you double click on this line, this particular one, okay, the one that has the color field over here, not this one. So you click on this one and then you click here and then you change the color from here. You can choose whichever color you want, okay. So if I choose black, that's what I will have. Or if I want to choose yellow, so I'll have something like this, okay. So let's leave it at yellow. But this actually alter our design for the Canva logo, okay. But for the purpose of this tutorial, that's what I'm showing you. And what if you want to apply another color? So all you need to do, you can drag this. Remember, you can drag this particular yellow down and then add another one up here by double click right here. Told you what you need to do, you double click, then you click here and then you have something like this. So you can add maybe red, okay, that's red down here. Okay, so you can add red color to this. It doesn't really make sense, okay, to have this kind of color, but for the purpose of this tutorial, so that's why I'm just showing you how, just in case you come up with a design that require 3 or 4 color into one object. So that's how you apply. And then don't forget that you are using your fountain, or sorry, all this elliptical fountain to be able to rearrange it whichever way you want to, okay. So that's how you don't like the elliptical fountain, you can use any other one. You can use conical fountain field or the rectangular fountain field, okay. How about if you want to apply this color to your text? So you have a text and you really want to apply the same color that you have here to your text. All you need to do, I'm going to bring this over here, okay, and then all you need to do is to pick this color. It's either you come here and pick this color and drop it here. This is the first step, or the first way to do it. You just come here and drag this text and then place it here. So you are going to have something like this, okay. So as you can see, this color, we were able to apply it to our text, okay. All you need to do, you drag from here to down here, okay. What if you want to right click? All you need to do, if you want to add this color to this one, another way is to right click on it, select it first, then use your right click and just right click and drag to where the text is. And once you get to your text, you release your hand, okay. You have this option, okay. Once you see this option, all you need to do is to copy and fill, copy fill. So what you are looking for is copy fill, okay. This is it. So we have our copy fill. You click on copy fill. Obviously you can see that we were able to copy this color to this, okay. So these are some of the tricks that involve in creating, or making gradient, or creating gradient in CorelDraw. So I hope this video helps, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.